Many months later.
Hey, hood family, welcome back, bro. Damn, this video's been a long time coming, but we finally got them ready. We got it right. We got every single last piece that we need. So in this video, you're gonna see me finally finish it. We just gotta grab a tail light. That's the only thing I forgot. I forgot about that shit for real. But we got everything for this side. We're finna put it on there. I had went to O'Reilly's earlier and I grabbed it. Everything that we need. I'll show y'all that, nigga. I really gonna show y'all a good the whole Durango. You know, it's the Hemi RT mud. It need a wash. Take it out to the front. That's where it look mean at. The grill mean in the front. Look at that. Ooh. Hemi. I'm a Hemi brother. But this is what we needed. This is brake caliper, rotor, and the mounting bolts for the caliper. Then we just gotta bleed the system. And yeah, bro. That's really it. But let's take this in there. See if I can take it in there with one hand. Oh yeah, get with me. We got it running. I remember last time it probably crunked. Thank God that it did crank. The last time I was in here putting that shit together, boy, I was having a headache. Ain't nothing really changed with it. S on the seats. It's running good. She need a makeover, bro, really. Go ahead and stop it. That noise y'all just heard is because that exhaust is, and like, let me see if I can show y'all. It's like unbolted down there. You see that? At first I thought it was like an exhaust leak. But no. Well, it is an exhaust leak. But that's just cause it's not bolted up. It came on tight or something. But we're gonna figure that out. Look at that drone, nigga. Delivering packages. What? Niggas bougie. Boy, that shit crazy. But yeah, fam. I ain't got my camera woman with me today. So it's gonna be me and y'all. I'm gonna hold it up. Y'all just gotta watch. I'm gonna prop y'all up somewhere. And yeah, we're gonna do it like that. Let's see. How does that look? Oh yeah, it's straight. It's smooth. We gotta get it right. Boom. You know what I'm talking about? So, boom. I gotta remember where we left off, bro. I don't remember. Okay, so that's right. We gotta put the spring. Dang, we gotta put the spring back right here and throw that shock right here. So I think I gotta unbolt this stuff. Let's see. I gotta unbolt that stuff right there. I hope I got the correct socket for the fucking actual nigga, I was guessing on work. Oh yeah. Yup, that's cool. That's what that is. 1 1/4 for the actual nut. So now I gotta let this shit back down so I can get this piece in there. I gotta take the sway bar. Yeah, shit, we gonna bust it down. Yeah, I'm just excited, bro. Oh, my tools probably dead and shit. So let's take out none of this shit. Everything that's really going on. I don't know if y'all can hear me well. I apologize if y'all can't. So I think we gotta unbolt our sway bar link. And I guess I'll take this out too. This is I think it's like a part of the control arm. Then I'll unbolt this bottom one right here. And then I'll just, oh shit. Hey man, y'all got ADHD, bro. Y'all know how I feel. Brain just be going 1,000 miles per hour. So I'm on both that. I ain't bring no vice grips, nigga. I forgot. So I'm gonna have to bleed these. I'm gonna have to bleed these lines. Fuck. I'll figure it out. So yeah, let's get to it, fam. Yeah, alright. They can't even be great. Oh yeah. God dang. Workout, boy. They said working on cars be easy, they said. Flathead. Hey, bro, if y'all ain't, it's 3 tools y'all need whenever y'all working on cars. You know what the 3 tools is? You know, flathead, a hammer, and a hammer. Right, so this is my flathead. This is my hammer. This is my hammer. Remember that. Oh, shit. Put myself in the fucking face. What the fuck is it hitting on, bro? Gotta be kidding me. Sit on that small ass gal. Small ass fucking lip. Oh, shit. You know what? I probably gotta take this whole thing off. With the fucking the spindle on top of the spring mount and see if that's better, bro. Because all this fucking struggling is crazy. Struggling like a bitch. It's just one of them days, without no coat on, I'm gonna meditate in the rain. Sway link bar out. So now let's take out. Go ahead and take this bitch off, bro. Fuck you. This one. That is 18? 18 cool. 18 big. Flathead, that shit. Yeah, see? Told y'all boy, man. Y'all don't need y'all them fancy tools and shit. Damn, I want to take this whole fucking thing out. It's starting to look like I might just have to, though. See, this one good. Fuck, I'm hot as fuck. Too damn bad! Hey, fam, I get back with y'all once I put that fucking spring mat on, cause god damn. Okay, we got it. We ended up getting the spindle out. And as soon as we took the spindle out, we was able just to tap that hoe in, bro. I guess I was just weak or something. I guess, but nigga, it's hot. So fuck it. But yeah, that's what we need. I'm gonna see if that bolt. We'll get that, feed that bolt through. Once we feed that bolt through, I'm gonna go ahead and put the back side in, this side right here, and right there. Then I'm gonna go ahead and bolt up the shock, and then everything else should just go. Fuck. But we gotta put the spring back too, so let's get it. All right, I'm back, gang. I end up getting it out. So now I just gotta slide that bolt through and put it back up. Cut this side up right here. I wasn't able to put that spring in there, but other than that, it's fine. Alright, now we bleeding on this side. Abs over here, you know. Look at one.
Brother,
Nothing? Nah. How the brakes feel? Weak. Were them clear? Nah, I see it. Were the two in the back? Did they come out good?
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Go to the floorboard. Probably gonna bleed that front one. Goes back really slow, and then it goes out really fast. Alright, I'll bleed the front. Well, let me put the tires back on in the back, and then I'll jack up the front. Y'all won't believe, bro. I went ahead and took off this caliper side, just in case, cause like why not over here? And bro, why when I took it off, nigga, this is the brake pad. What the fuck? Nigga, this metal to metal. So this rotor, yeah, I know that rotor is cooked, but I just gotta get it home. So, bro on his way. He finna be on his way back with a C clamp so he can push them around. And then, yeah, I'll get back with y'all whenever we get on the road. It's the moment of truth. We're gonna see if it roll back. Okay, look, we rolling. It's the parking brake. It's on? No, it's on.
Oh, it's on the floor.
Yeah. I shoved it. It shouldn't move.
What you on?
Gotta make sure I don't run this over there.
That's your speaker.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Yeah, she just sagging on that right side. Ooh, we in there. We got the Hood 300. Them rolling. We on the road, boy. It's probably the sketchiest part, man. It's a 10-minute drive to the crib, finna make it. Oh my God, this hoe so janky. We just gotta make it home, bro. Them mud rides nasty. We gonna get it right though. We got my people behind me. This baby needs some love. Oh yeah, boy, we in there. But when I tell y'all though, like I'm so skeptical.
Well, when the clouds get very sad, they cry.
Missing that spring. We gotta get that rear end realigned. And we gotta reprogram my key too. But for some weird reason, say the key's not in the vehicle, but we're driving. Oh my, I gotta put that spring in that bitch. Oh my gosh. It's not overheating. Cooling temp's good. I don't know what the oil look like, nigga. I never checked the oil. I ain't gonna lie to you. But nigga, when I tell you, I ain't never been so scared to drive no vehicle. I know y'all see that. Them boys just keep jumping. We making it home though. God did. Now we got the Chrysler. We got the 300 and we got the Durango and the truck. Man, that fleet is crazy. You know, we finna soup this mud up. We finna get this mud all the way right. Bro, imagine being stuck in traffic with no brakes, gang.
Why are you crying?
I'm talking about literally. I gotta be down to the floor for this bitch to stop. Nigga, I've never been so terrified to drop anything in my life. And this bitch ain't even got no insurance on it yet. Oh my gosh, I'm tripping. Alright. We almost to the crib, bro. I just gotta get past this street. I see how it's gonna do going down this hill though. How long the drive was. It felt like forever though. You gotta make it to the crib. You gotta make it to the crib. Come on. Come on, baby. Nigga, you gotta make it to the crib. I'm talking about everybody stopping and staring. Them boys fucked. Oh my goodness, bro. I've never been in no car that's been more fucked up than this whole game. If I turn lights out of this bitch, lights don't even fucking work. I gotta put that spring back in this bitch. Without that spring, this bitch is janky. Big ass truck. Got a celebratory make it home. Yeah, nigga, we in the neighborhood. Yes, sir.